Finally, after searching the web for a long time, I came across a real and easy way to get paid online. I will show you everything step by step so you can effortlessly set this up, but I will also show you a huge bonus at the end of the video that will allow you to literally make money online doing nothing. So make sure you keep watching. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so as you just heard, I will show you in this video how you can get paid in PayPal Money indeed. And the first website that will be paying you in PayPal Money is this one I'm on as we speak, called Userlytics.com. And what this site is, since I know most of you haven't heard about it, it is a testing platform. Now the way this works is as follows. Say you have some new app that has been released. What the publishers would do to make sure the app is bug-free and works exactly as intended and is also user-friendly is that they would come over to Userlytics or some other platform and pay them to test their game out. And once the testing is done, Userlytics will send that data back to their customer. Now in this fashion, the publishers can now correct and fix any issues if they have been found, as well as optimize the game or website to make it better looking and more user-friendly if required. The same process applies to everything and anything, guys. It doesn't have to be an app per se. It can be some brand new website. But regardless, this begs the question, what are we going to do here and how can we make money with this website? Well, here's the thing. Userlytics needs people to test out the games and website, and they're willing to pay people a lot of money despite the fact that you literally need no skills to do this. You can get paid big time, and Userlytics will give you detailed instructions as to exactly what you'll need to do. But I want you guys to keep watching because I will explain the entire process step by step, as well as giving you a bonus platform as well later on. Now, since you guys know what this website is, let's proceed to what you want to do when you first come on their homepage. You'll need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page like so, and you want to click on Get Paid to Participate right over here. That will take you over to this page, and take a look at this. You can get paid between $5 and $20 most of the time per single app or site that you test out, which is quite decent actually. But the best part is that some people have been paid as much as $90 per single test, which is, when you think about it, is insane. You don't need any skills or expertise for this. You can test the apps and sites whenever you want to, and for as long as you have mobile phone or computer, you will be able to get paid. Now what you'll need to do, guys, is you want to enter in your email address in this box right here. You will then tick these two boxes to confirm that you are over the age of 16 and that you agree to their terms. And finally, just click on the sign up button right here. The next thing you will need to do is to come over to your Gmail account, as Userlytics will send you a message to your email address so that you can confirm it. And this is how the message will look. To confirm the email address, just click right here. Finally, once you do that, you will be able to sign up as a tester. You'll enter in your full name in these two boxes here. You will select which country you're from. And by the way, you can see that Userlytics does work worldwide indeed, and the next thing you will need to do is enter in your date of birth, your PayPal, email address, then select your gender, and enter in your password, and lastly, just click on submit. And now you'll be able to log in into your brand new account and get paid for testing those sites and apps. With all of that said and done, Userlytics is not the only platform that will pay you for testing. There is another one out there, and it's this one called Userfeel.com. And this website is just like the previous platform. a place where you can test various apps and websites and get paid. It works in much the same fashion as the previous platform, by the way. A publisher pays this platform to test an app, for example, and they will then take part of that money and pay their testers to find if there are any bugs. You can see that this is a very popular site and it has over 140,000 testers from all over the world, so this does work in most countries and will most likely work in yours too. And that is arguably one of the best features of this site. They also have over 500 happy clients, and some of the said clients can just be seen down below, which as you can see includes some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. With all of that said and done guys, I don't want to prolong this video, so let's get to what you need to do on this platform so you can get paid. The first thing you want to do is click on Get Paid to Test right up here. On the next page, you'll need to enter in all of this information so you can create an account and start getting paid by testing those apps. You will enter in your first name and last names in these two boxes. Your email address just below, which you will need to retype in as a confirmation as well. You will then select what country you're coming from and type in your birth date. And finally, the last thing you want to type in is your password. The next thing you will need to do is to choose how you will get paid. And yes, this platform does offer PayPal as you can see. The last bits of info you will need to enter in guys is demographics. What is your gender, native language, your fluently spoken language, and so on. And once you enter all of that, just scroll down and click on Apply for Tester below to finish the process. As some of you recall from the beginning of the video, I do have a bonus platform. And it's this one right here called Honeygain.com. This platform is quite different in comparison to the previous two, because you'll be making money by sharing your internet. And the best part about this website is that it will pay you in passive income. Basically, you install this and earn money. How easy is that? Now don't worry, your security isn't at risk or anything. And Honeygain, as you can see, is a perfect way to earn passive income online. Here, you can see that Honeygain is indeed secure like I said before. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So they won't steal your data and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. Now if you want to read more on this, you can click right here, but in my opinion, I don't think that's necessary. Long story short guys, this will share your internet and you will get paid for it. I don't want you to go into much depth with this app since it will unnecessarily prolong this tutorial. And after all, you can check out all of the feature it offers if you so wish. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.